So after leaving Abashiri, we headed off to Utoro, to a hotel that was located in the Shiretoko Peninsula, a beautiful place up in the hills overlooking the Sea of Okhotsk. So transport was by local train and a local bus.
It was actually really cool watching the drift ice as we were on the train as well. Once we arrived at the bus station, the hotel sent a shuttle down to pick us up because they thought the hill was too steep.
The hotel was absolutely stunning. Beautiful artwork, beautiful furniture, and the service so polite. Later that morning we went for a walk around the port, through the tunnels, looking at all the fishing boats. The fishing ground at the Sea of Okhotsk is abundant in fishing resources, which you can see, but obviously in winter there's no fishing.
We decided to do a walk into town and we found this really cool little area that had a tunnel through a rock or a big mountain area that led into this little, what would you call it? Like a port area, yeah. And it was covered in the drift ice, and even the lighthouse was completely frozen. You can see all the ice hanging off it.
So they can't actually put the ships in the water because the ice would smash them.
Yeah. We had the Japanese room, which had the futons on the floor. They're actually surprisingly comfortable. It's just getting back up off the floor that's a problem.
Best of all, the food was absolutely delicious. From crab cake to fresh fish sashimi. And didn't Lisa love it? Put it all in.
I much prefer them cooked.
We'll do the tuna.
I did it. I already had some.
So we came to Utoro because we wanted to touch that drift ice. We wanted to walk on the drift ice and we wanted to see it up close as best as we can. And we did.
Right, be careful, don't want you in again. No, not. It was a fun experience and luckily Malcolm survived, and no, I didn't do it, I chickened.
The next morning we woke up and we said we must go and see the iced over waterfall of the Freppy waterfall. And so we organised a tour and off we went.
So here's me with my 6 layers of clothes on. I think I actually not only look like a plastic bear, but I walked like one as well. But we had lots of fun. I have to say, getting up that hill there was just really hard work. I needed help.
Go on. Don't worry. Go on. Short people always get help when they're trying to snow walk. Hurry.
Oh, nice. Good job. Right.
So you might think that snow walking is very easy, but it actually isn't. you've got to be very careful of how you place your feet, how you turn around, and how you actually integrate with other people in that area. Otherwise, you're going to have some problems. So Shiretoko is one of the world's famous habitats for brown bears. They're everywhere. And sometimes you just have to be careful that there could be a bear in the air. That's why Shiretoko actually has a mascot called Toko-san. What's that, Lisa? You saw a bear?
No bear, but there's a huge snowstorm coming. We better walk fast.
So, what is J-POW? J-POW stands for Japan Powder. It's the iconic snow of Japan. It's so fresh and so fine. You just got to lie down in it. So after all that snow walking, we finally made it to Frappe Waterfalls. And what a stunning sight it was. Just so solid ice. It was a dangerous area too, so you better stay behind those rails.
So the snowstorm was coming in, the wind was absolutely freezing, and we had to get back in a hurry because we had a bus to catch.
So the tour company we chose was a company called Picchio. Their guide and skill sets was really good. He showed us everything in that area and we came away with a lot more knowledge. You like what you've seen? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and get ready for our next video.